welcome to my channel for the love of decor and more. My name is Robin, and on this channel you will find lots of decorating and DIY ideas and a little bit of vlogging here and there. On today's video, speaking of vlogging, I am just going to be sharing a little bit of the last couple of weeks in my life, and just to kind of show you how quickly things can take a turn. I am just enjoying the weekend. This is Mother's Day weekend with my little one. She's a 4-year-old. Her name is Simone. So we are just hanging out, enjoying the sun. You know, we were so happy to pull out the shorts and the tank tops. It's getting pretty warm out here in California. So we are just enjoying the sun, waiting to head out for the day. We ended up going to a little area in our town called Old Town, just to kind of sightsee, have ice cream and things like that. And here is the following weekend. Guys, we were hit with COVID all throughout my house, myself, my husband, and our 4-year-old right after Mother's Day weekend. So we were down for a week with a moderate case of COVID, and this is the second time that we contracted it. So we were a bit bummed, but you know, the sun was out, and I decided to get up and get out of the house after being sick for that week, and just kind of pull out all of my patio furniture cushions and just straighten up the backyard a bit, just so we can go out and sit in the sun as we were recuperating. I did throw away a lot of the outdoor pieces that we had in the backyard. Just over time, you know, it was ruined, and it's time for some nice new patio furniture. So we'll be on the hunt for some new pieces, but for now, I did keep these 4 chairs and the table, and we also have an umbrella that we can use in the meantime, just to get outside of the house and enjoy the beautiful weather. So I keep the cushions in these huge, they're called moving bags, that I ordered off of Amazon. And I ordered these for the cushions, and also I wanted to see about keeping my throw pillows in these bags and then just stacking them in the closet. But the ones with the patio the patio cushions, I would keep on the shelf in the garage. So I decided against not keeping the throw pillows in these bags, but they worked perfect for the patio cushions. So, yep, these cushions are all mismatch for the most part. I have this the green one with the palms on it. I thought was super pretty. I got from Home Goods, and I said, oh, I can check another Home Goods to find another one. And when I tell you, I checked 4 Home Goods in my area last summer, and they were all sold out. So I ended up with 1 set. So I just decided to use it, and then I'll check back this summer to see if I can find the matching cushions. And again, we're gonna, buy some newer patio furniture, so I'm sure I will be able to use that cushion. It's a 2-piece cushion on one of the pieces of patio furniture. So there's my little one. Everyone was happy to get out and get sun. My husband went ahead and cleaned up the backyard, mowed the lawn, and got back there and pulled some weeds and things. So I'm just doing my part by putting all the furniture back out. I love this swing. So we will be enjoying that as well. I don't leave it on the grass. So I'll be moving it in the corner on the brick, because it kind of leaves a ring of where the sun will burn the grass if there's something sitting on it. So we want to prevent that. So I will have my husband move it actually sometime soon. And these solar lights, I really like. They flicker like a red flame. And I got those from the 99 Sit and Up store. So I think they were like $2.99 each, but I really like them. They look really, really good at night. So my husband just brought the fire pit out. We had everything stored in the garage. So we've got the heat lamp out here, just getting ready, you know, in case we want to hang out at nighttime. We'll have everything I need back here, everything that we need, rather. So yeah, just getting the backyard all nice and cozy so we can enjoy some time back here. That evening, we did feel a difference as far as getting better, you know, just being out in the sun, getting some vitamin D. It really did help us with getting over COVID. So I'm glad that we decided to get out and get moving around, you know, and just get some sun. So vitamin D will always do you some good. And this pot I did pick up from Home Goods a little while back. And I'm going to go to Home Depot and pick up some really pretty flowers to place in that. We still have the grill covered. Everything's blooming all pretty. These 4 poles that you see, I made those 2 summers ago, and I put hooks on the top to hang our lights out in the backyard. So that's what those are for. Instead of me digging holes in the grass and planting those poles, I just did a DIY with buckets and cement, and they held up very well. And I like the fact that we can move them around, you know, and place them separately. So I am back in the house. This is later that evening, and I had mentioned in a prior video that we are starting to juice. So that is something else that did us some justice with getting better, is juicing. So this batch I did spinach, celery, pineapple, some apple, and I believe cucumber. And of course, the juice that's green is going to give you, you know, a lot more nutrients. So I try to make sure to make a batch of green juice every time I juice. And I add either pineapple or apples to sweeten it a bit. And then also some lemons and a little bit of ginger. So juicing has definitely been giving us energy and the nutrients that we need. And also my 4-year-old, she's been enjoying it as well. So the cleanup process on when you're juicing is just, you know, so time consuming. So you definitely need to set aside some time when you're juicing, at least an hour or so. And you want to do at least a few mason jars full, because you're doing all that work. You want to have, you know, a few days worth of juice. Of course, if you don't drink it within 72 hours, you can put it in the freezer for next time. So that's what I do. I love the pineapple juice, but I do like it to be really ice cold because it can be a tad bit sweet. And this is a Breville juicer, and it came from Best Buy, and it was really inexpensive. I think it was $99. So of course, you know, clean up your wash your juicer right away. Never, you know, wait and let it sit, you know, so it'll be easier to clean. So I'm just, you know, cleaning that up, and wanted to jump on and share with you guys. You know, we were having a good time Mother's Day weekend, enjoying the weather, and then we were all down with COVID. So I finally got up and just started getting things done around the house, went for a walk, and needed to clean out the coffee maker as well. So I went ahead and did that. So really, you know, got up and got moving and got some chores done. So I'm wishing everyone good health and wealth. You know, sickness is still going around. We're getting into the summer. So I am sending you guys all health and wealth, as I said. And thanks for taking a moment to check out my video. Of course, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And I will see you on the next one.